My topic is talk about a person you know who love cooking for others. Cooking is a skill which some people have it naturally, but some people learn in their life. So, according to me, it is a very important skill to become self independent in our life. And so, I would like to talk about my family. I am blessed with the family. In my family, there are lot of good cooks. So here I would like to talk about my mom. She is an incredible cook. She loves cooking. I remember that when it was a time of lockdown, at that point of time, me and my family really missed the junk food and street food and restaurants food. At that point of time, she learned to make a new dishes by watching a lot of videos on the YouTube. And I remember that she made a lot of Chinese food. She made a lot of South Indian food, which was very scrumptious. We really enjoyed our meal when it was a time of lockdown, and it was actually better than the restaurants and better than the market food. So she really knows variety of foods. My mother always watch a lot of videos on YouTube, and she always watch cookery shows in which she really improve her skill in cooking. So before concluding, I would like to add here that cooking is a very important skill which everyone have to learn in their life. And here is a person who love cooking for others.